Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I believe we're in a wave 4 right now, and most wave 4s are around the same size as wave 2s. That wave 2 lasted about 5 to 6 months, so it's probably very likely that this wave 4 is going to last about 4, 5, 6 months, probably going down to at least a 38%, making some sort of a three-way pattern before it ends up continuing back up for the wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think the wave 3 probably is over. This first move down is probably a wave A of the wave 4. Eventually, it probably will drift up and make a crescent to the move down, wave B, and then probably back down again for C. Maybe the 50 or the 38% would be my most likely target for this wave 4. Like I said, this pattern is probably, in total, going to take about 5 months to play out. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it totally looks like to be a 1, 2, 3. So it looks like we're still in a wave 3 of wave A, which means that even if it does go up, it's probably just a corrective wave 4, and then probably down again for wave 5. Then it will probably eventually turn up for the wave B. Like I said, this pattern probably needs to last about 5 months, this ABC pattern. So it's not like it's just going to turn up and make a wave B and then turn down and make a wave C all within a couple weeks. This is going to take quite some time to play out. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move down. As of right now, any move I see to the upside, I'm looking at it nothing more than likely a crescent to the move down. I'm hoping to see a nice little three-way pattern up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then a nice little entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, it totally looks like an uptrend right here, which is why I think it's a wave A. I think that this is a three-way pattern to the downside for a wave B, and I believe that we're going to go up to at least that 50 or the 61% for a wave C. Now, I would be very cautious going long, because even though it looks like it needs to make a proper ABC, it possibly could just keep on drifting down because the trend is definitely down, and the trend is your friend, which is why I think that we should primarily be looking for shorts. If you do try to go long for the wave C, you should probably make it a very small entry and be very cautious about the trade. But I would like to see it go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then I would like to see an engulfing move to the downside for a nice clear ABC crescent, nice clear end of a crescent entry to go short. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.